Hello everyone, got a 15 Grand Caravan, 103,000 miles on it, and this one came in, air conditioning's not working, and I checked the pressures, it had nothing in the system, and so I went ahead and charged it up and checking for a leak, and it's got a rear evaporator leaking. We'll get up here on this rear evaporator drain. There we go. Oop. Don't want to get any contaminants in the filter. Yeah, there it is. So if you got a Caravan, you can't find the leak, you'll probably need a electronic leak detector to find this leak. Yeah, that's what this one is. Got to put a rear evaporator in it. We'll start off and pull this expansion valve nut. Do a little cleanup. Spray some cleaner up there. It's all packed with gravel and dirt and mud. Spray it off. And pull the tire here to get better access at these rear heater hose connectors. Lower it down. I think I'm going to be here for a while, so I'm going to sit down. Just keep working these. You got to be patient on these. They face up and dirt and gravel gets in these plastic clips, and it's just really tough to get them out. That's not working very good. We'll spray them out again. Blow them out with some air. And just keep rinsing and repeating on this. Put some more oil in them. Work them back and forth. Try again to pinch these plastic clips back in. And screwdriver's not working very well. Pliers aren't working very well. I got the left side disconnected. I'm working on this right side. We'll put a 90-degree pick in there. And there we go. That thing was on there. So we'll drop this down and drain the coolant out of this back heater core. The inside of these are packed with gunk, so scrape them out, spray them, some cleaner, and then blow them out with some air. And then rinse and repeat on the other one. Okay, we'll pull this rear scuff plate. Pull the screw. Pull the seatbelt anchors out, front and back. This upper trim. And we can get at this load space. Well, Ford calls them load spaces. Maybe it's just a quarter panel trim. And on the D-pillar, I'm going to pull this upper D-pillar trim. There's a couple plastic push clips. And the cap up top. Pull the screw out. Snap this upper D-pillar trim panel off. Disconnect the speaker wire. Remove a couple nuts or screws. And these trim panels can really be on there, so you have to use both hands and just pull as hard as you can. I'm using my trim tool there. Yeah, this thing is packed with dust, dog hair. A lot of times the little metal clips, they'll stick inside the body. You have to pry those out and then stick them back on the plastic panel. Get it popped loose now. The upper seatbelt anchor is in there so tight, my pneumatic wouldn't get it out, or my electric impact wouldn't get it out, so we'll go ahead and break it loose by hand and then use the ratchet to remove it the rest of the way. Just drop the seatbelt retractor through the panel, pull this panel out, get that out of the way, and we get at this rear box. Pull the floor vent, pull the electrical connectors. There's two bolts that hold this rear HVAC unit in, and there's two nuts that hold the front of the heater hose coupler there. We'll pull out the roof vent, or roof duct. Pull this HVAC unit out. And we'll pull this lower rubber trim piece. We'll pull the wiring harness out, pull the nuts for the blend and mode door motors. Remove the nuts and pull the blower speed resistor out. There's one more electrical connector, and then you can just remove this entire assembly and get it out of your way. Then we'll pull all the little screws for the box, and we'll split this box in half. I'm using a screwdriver and kind of pry it up. It's got some plastic clips on the side and they just snap loose. Get that freed up and then separate the covers. There it is. There's a heater core in the evaporator. You can see in the upper right corner there, the evaporator's leaking. So there's where it was leaking in that area. It's got a smell of oil to it. So I got the wrong part, and looks like Dodge, they want like 580 bucks, so I'm gonna see if I can find one online. I think I found one for like 60 bucks. So that should do it for this video. Just gotta find the correct part, put it in, and reassemble everything.